Welcome to the session. Topic of this session is credit cooperative societies, and the credit cooperative society, they actually led to the movement of cooperative organization, cooperative movement in the country. And you are well aware that the concept of cooperative started in India, particularly in the credit sector in the second half century of the 19th century of the, and in the Madras basically, nidis were established. They were the organization established by the farmers who were the member of that societies, the nidis, and the basis of this nidis was basically taken from the Referenzen model of Germany, where the borrower farmer were the member of the society. So purpose was to provide the credit support to the member, and based on their mutual contribution in the society's capital. So, and the formal establishment of the cooperative society was started in the year 1904 by the passing of the Credit Cooperative Society Act in the year 1904, and actually there is a need of such concept. Actually, the slowly agriculture is becoming the commercial enterprises, they becoming the business enterprises, and they need different types of support, particularly the financial support. Actually, the farmers, they need to purchase the inputs, they need to purchase the machinery, they also need support in terms of the marketing supports or arranging different activities, different services are required. They also provide the storage services also. So there are different type of services are supported or given by the cooperative societies. And basically cooperative concept is that the people, the member who own the cooperative society, they control the cooperative society, they take all type of decisions of the cooperative society, and they are also the user of the cooperative society. So actually and there was a need of some institutional support for agriculture sectors, particularly arranging the credit, arranging the inputs. There was no such organization, so there was a need of such organizations, cooperative society organization, and this cooperative society has contributed a lot in the development of agriculture sector. So in today's session, basically we are going to learn about the credit cooperative society, their evolutions, their growth, their contributions, and their structures, how the cooperative or credit or societies they work in India. So we are going to discuss about the structure of the credit cooperative society, and then what are the National Federation for Credit Cooperative Society. We will learn about their activities. So let us start how the cooperative society was started in India. So actually this concept is very much required to overcome the farmers' burden of debt and keep them away from the clutches of the money lenders, because there was as such no institutional sources available in the agriculture sector. The farmers, they used to go to the money lenders and they used to borrow the money from the high rate of interest. So the basic idea for establishing the cooperative society was to free them from the clutches of the money lenders. And the formal beginning of the cooperative society was started in the year 1904 with the enactment of the Cooperative Credit Society Act. And after this act, basically rural credit societies were formed in the countries, and government also attempted to popularize the concept. They also tried to popularize the concept, and soon after the setting of this act, they realized there is some shortcomings are there in this act. So they modified the act, they amended the act, and they passed the new comprehensive act, that is the Cooperative Society Act of 1912. And in this act, basically credit cooperative society were also recognized. And though the rural credit society were the dominant credit cooperative society in the India, still they are dominant credit cooperative societies. Basically, there are two types of credit structure in the country, and there are two types of requirement. One is the short term and medium term finance requirement, another is the long term credit requirement. And for the short term or medium term credit requirement, there is a three-tier system is there. Apex level we have the state cooperative banks, and then at the district levels we have the central cooperative bank, that is at the district and tahsil level sometimes, and we have the primary agricultural credit society at the village level, so that is the grassroots level. And in case of the long term, we have two structure, two types of society. One is the state level, other is the the district level or tahsil level, or sometimes village level also. And here you can see the role of the credit cooperative society in the country. Like presently we have the 1,77,605 credit cooperative society. They are the around 20.8% of the total credit cooperative society, and the membership are also very large. We have 206.16 million members in the credit cooperative society, and total membership in the credit cooperative society are 71.1%. So we have the 20% of credit cooperative society, but they have the total membership of 71%. So large membership base of the credit cooperative society we have in the country. And the grassroots level, the cooperative society, which is called as the primary agriculture credit society, we have 97,961, and the membership of this primary agriculture credit society is 131.23 million. And actually we see the contribution of the credit cooperative society in disbursement of loan, and the Kisan credit card scheme is the most famous scheme for providing the short term loan to the farmers. And so credit cooperative society, they are playing the important role in distributing, in providing the Kisan credit card to the farmers. And so far they have provided 35.883 million Kisan credit cards, or which are we can say around 50% of the total Kisan credit card distributed by the institutional sources to the farmers. So they are contributing 50% in the Kisan credit card distribution. And the share of the agriculture credit cooperative society in disbursement of the credit is also very large, though this share is declining over the period of year. In the years 2016-17, they have distributed around 13.40% of the total credit disbursement in the agriculture sector. Earlier it was around 50%. So slowly, because there is a more focus on from the commercial bank now, from the regional rural bank now, so they are also disbursing quite a good amount. So slowly share of the credit cooperative society is declining, but in terms of absolute, the share is increasing from the credit cooperative societies. Here you can see the complete institutional arrangement for the agricultural and rural credit, and at the top level we have the Reserve Bank of India, or a body from the government of India. And for agriculture sector we have specialization like National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, and that is called NABARD, and this NABARD monitor, coordinate all the credit requirement of the agriculture sector. So we have three types of organization who provide the credit to the agriculture sector. One is the cooperatives bank, another we have the commercial bank, then we have a regional rural bank. And in the cooperative bank we have two type of one is the short term and medium term requirement, another is the long term requirement. And for short term and medium term requirement we have three tier structure. At the top we have state cooperative bank, at the district we have district cooperative bank, and at the primary level we have primary agriculture credit society. And in case of long term loan from the cooperative banks, we have the state cooperative agriculture and rural development bank. They have their branches also, and at the district or taluka level we have this district cooperative agriculture and rural development bank. And in case of the commercial bank we have the metropolitan branches, then urban branches, then semi-urban branches and rural branches. And then we have the special institution for providing the credit to the agriculture and rural area, that is the regional rural bank, and here again the metropolitan branches, urban branches, semi-urban branches and rural branches all are there. And this cooperative bank, commercial bank and regional rural bank, they do the all type of activity. They also collect the deposit from the members, from the customer, and they also provide the loan to the member in case of the cooperative bank or in case of the in the commercial regional bank to the customers. So depositing and the providing loan, both the type of activity they do. And here we can understand the organizational structure of the short-term cooperative credit. So at the national level, there is an organization which is called as the National Federation of State Cooperative Banks Limited. That organization basically monitor, guide and promote the cooperative credit society in the country to serve the farming community, to serve the member of the cooperative credit society. And at the district level, at the state level, we have the state cooperative banks, and basically they are the apex organization at the district level and at the state level. And at the district level, we have the central district central cooperative bank, and then at the grassroots level we have the primary agricultural credit society PACs, and we have also the type of society like farmer service societies are also there. We have also this large sized Adivasi multi-purpose society. So at the grassroots level, three types of cooperative organization are there which provide the loan to the member farmers in PACs, the Farmers Service Society and large size Adivasi Multi-Purpose Society. And the National Federation is basically not a bank, they are not a financing institution, they are the organization which promote the concept, which coordinate the activity of the state cooperative bank, and they have they do not conduct the transaction directly, but they support the activity, they coordinate the activity, they promote the activity to state cooperative banks. So basically state cooperative banks, they are their members and they monitor their activity, they guide them, they provide different types of the institutional support to them. They also liaison with the NABARD, with the government and different types of institutions for the promotion of the cooperative credit structure in the country. So here in this slide you can understand the complete picture of the organizational setup for the credit institutions. So we have 1,541 credit cooperative society in India, and out of that there are two types of, one is the urban cooperative bank, another is the rural cooperative bank. And we can say, so in case of urban cooperative there are total 1,562 branches are there, banks are there. In case of urban cooperative also there are two types of structure, again the scheduled urban cooperative bank, then non-scheduled cooperative bank. So in case of scheduled cooperative bank we have two types of, again the multi-state and then single state. So we have around 31 multi-state urban cooperative bank, and which can function in more than one state. So that's why they are called multi-state cooperative bank. And in case of non-scheduled, we have 1,508 urban cooperative banks. So again there are two types. One is the multi-state non-scheduled urban cooperative bank, and there are single state non-scheduled cooperative bank, which are 1,488. Or in case of the rural cooperative, actually that is our target to understand here in this presentation. So we have two types of structure. One is a short-term structure, another is a long-term structure. In case of short-term structure, we have total 98,365 societies, credit societies, and in case of long-term, we have 614 credit cooperative society. So we have 33 state cooperative bank, and we have 371 district cooperative credit bank, and at the primary level we have the 97,961 primary agricultural credit cooperative society. Or in case of the long term bank, we have state cooperative agricultural rural development at the state level, which are 13 in number, and at the village or taluka level or sometimes district level, we have primary cooperative agricultural rural development, which are 601 in the number. And now we will understand the functioning of this primary agricultural credit cooperative society. So basically they are the hub of the Indian cooperative movement. Actually they led to the cooperative movement in all sector, not only the credit, in the consumer cooperative, in the fertilizer production, in the labor cooperative, in case of the horticulture cooperative. So they led the different development of different types of cooperative in the country, and their basic purpose, their functioning is to raise the capital for the purpose of giving loans and the supporting the essential activities of the members. So actually they generate the capital, they collect the capital from the member bank, from the other organization in order to provide the loan requirement of the member farmers. Then they also collect the deposits from the members with the objective of improving their saving habits. So they also promote the deposits so that saving habit can be initiated, can be developed in the member farmers, and they also provide the agricultural inputs and services to the members at the remunerative prices. They also supply the fertilizers, they also supply the the seed, they also provide the machinery, tractors, harvesters, and they also provide the warehousing facilities, they also provide the marketing facilities. So they do different types of activity, and not only credit, the other types of services are also provided by the primary agricultural credit cooperative societies, and they also arrange the supply and development of improved breeds of livestock for the members. So they also provide, they also do in the area of animal husbandry, and they provide the different types of breeds, improved types of breeds, or different activity for the animal husbandry also. And they make this primary agriculture credit cooperative society, they also make the arrangement for the improving the irrigation on the land owned by the members. So they also help in the irrigation development at the land of member farmers, and then they encourage various income augmenting activities such as the horticulture, the animal husbandry, poultry, beekeeping, pisciculture, cottage industry among the member through the supply of necessary inputs and services. So not only the credit, they also do different types of activities, and they promote the horticulture sector, they promote the animal husbandry, they also promote the poultry, beekeeping, pisciculture. So that ultimate purpose is to improve the economic condition of the farmers member. They want to improve their socio-economic, they want to improve their livelihood. So all type of services as provided by the primary agricultural credit cooperative societies. Here we can see the growth of the primary agricultural credit societies, and the numbers are increasing over the period of times. In the last 10 years, you can see the trend here. In 2007-8, we have the 67,146 primary agricultural credit cooperative society, and which has reached to the 97,961 in the year 2016-17. So in the last year there is a continuous growth in the number of the primary agricultural cooperative society. Here you can see the trend. There is a trend line given in the graph. So from that trend line you can see that line is increasing, it is going up towards the upward side. So that's why we can see that there is a growth in the number of the primary agriculture cooperative society. In some of the years, in the year 2011-12, we have the 1,297 credit cooperative societies. So some of the year the growth was very good, but still there is a increasing trend in the number of the primary agriculture credit cooperative societies. Here in this slide you can see the number of membership of the primary agriculture credit cooperative society, and number is given in the millions. So in the year 2007-8 we have 92.71 millions of the primary agriculture credit cooperative society, and it has increased to 131.24 million in the year 2016-17. So here again the number of the member of this primary agriculture credit cooperative society is increasing over the period of time, and the line is showing the trend in the growth of the membership of the primary agriculture credit cooperative society. Here you can see the number of the borrower from the primary agriculture credit cooperative society. So very good trend is there. In the year 2007-8 there was 33.86 million member of the society that taken loan from the PECs, and now this number has reached to 70.23 million in the year 2016-17. So you see last 10 years you can see more than double increase in the number of the borrowers from the primary agriculture credit cooperative society. So this is very good sign. There is a requirement of such organization at the grassroots level who provide the credit or loan requirement to the farmers. Here you can see the amount which is disbursed by which was issued by the primary agriculture credit cooperative society, and the number or the amount disbursed by the primary agriculture credit cooperative society has increased in substantial amount. In the year 2007 at 32,932 crore rupees loan was issued from the primary agricultural credit society, and there is a continuous growth in the amount of the loan issued by the primary agriculture credit cooperative society. And in the year 2016-17 the amount of the loan which was issued by the primary agriculture credit cooperative society has increased to 2,678 crore rupees. So there is you can say the more than 6-7 times increase in the amount of the loan issued by the primary agriculture credit cooperative society over the period of time, over the 10 years. Now we will move to the district central cooperative banks, DCCB, and basically all the primary agriculture credit cooperative society, they are affiliated to the district central cooperative banks. Basically these are the a liaison between the primary level credit cooperative society with the the state cooperative banks. So they are in between, and they coordinate the activities of the primary agriculture credit cooperative society. They guide them. So they are basically serve as a balancing center in the district, as a central financing agency. So they provide the loan to the primary agriculture society. They refinance the primary agriculture credit cooperative society so that PECs can provide loan to their members. So they organize the credit to the primary agriculture credit cooperative society. They also undertake all type of banking business, like the collection of the deposit, the providing loan to the members. So there are both types of members are there. One is the primary agriculture credit cooperative society, they are also member. There are individuals who are also member of the district central cooperative banks. So they provide loan credit to the both primary agriculture credit society as well as the individual member who are the member of the district central cooperative bank. And actually they sanction, monitor, control implementation of the policy of the cooperative societies at the and they monitor the activity of the primary agriculture credit society also. And here you can see the growth of the membership in the district central cooperative banks. And in the year 2007-8 we have 33.95 lakhs membership of this DCCB. And in the year 2016-17 we have 32.34 lakh members in the district in the DCCB. So there is a slight decline in the membership of the DCCB. It may be due to the the increasing share of the commercial bank, maybe due to consolidation process sometime. So but there is a large number of the membership of the DCCB. And they are also serving the purpose of providing loan to the PX and as well as to the individual farmers. They also accept the deposit from the members. And this state cooperative banks, they are the basically apex organization in the states, and they actually all the district central cooperative banks, they are the member of the SCB, state cooperative banks. So actually state cooperative banks, they serve as a balancing center in the states. So they they organize the provision of credit for the credit worthy farmers. So they make the arrangement, they coordinate with the different banks from the state government. They also coordinate with the national federation, and they guide and monitor the activity of the district central cooperative bank, and they provide the technical and financial support whenever required, and they also undertake the business activities, business banking business. Basically they also collect the deposit, they also provide the loan to the individual farmers, and basically the state cooperative bank, they are the leader of the cooperatives in the states. So they provide the apex role, they do the apex role, and they monitor, arrange all types of, they also help in the developing the policies, they also help in the developing the guidelines in the states for providing the loan. And membership of the state cooperative bank is increasing over the period of time, and in the year 2007-8 we have the 1.51 lakh members of the state cooperative bank, and it is continuously increasing over the period of time. And the year 2016-17, now we have 8.47 lakh member of the state cooperative bank. So here again popularity of the state cooperative bank is increasing over the period of time. Now we will move to the National Federation for State Cooperative Banks, and basically this federation was registered in the year 1964 as All India State Cooperative Banks Federation, and it was renamed in the years 1978, and in this All India State Cooperative Banks was registered under the Maharashtra Cooperative Society Act 1960, and renaming of this All India State Cooperative Bank Federation as the National Federation of the State Cooperative Bank Limited in December 1978, and the vision of this National Federation is to provide a dominant proactive organizations which guide to the cooperative credits and banking institutions to ensure agriculture and rural development. So they want to have a role of the dominant proactive organization for the development of cooperative credit and banking institutions, so that they can ensure the agriculture and rural development in the country. And basic objective of this National Federation is to provide the common forum to the member banks. So they provide the forum for discussion, the policies, discussion various issues, problems, and guide them in their functioning. They promote and protect the interest of the member bank. If there is some conflict is there from a state cooperative bank to some commercial bank or with some member, so they participate. So their purpose is to promote the cooperative credit society, and they also protect their interest. And this National Federation coordinate with and they liaison with the Government of India, regional this Reserve Bank of India, the National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, and the commercial bank also, and different types of financing institutions. They coordinate, they liaison for the functioning of the state cooperative bank and credit cooperative society. Then they provide the research and consultancy support to the member bank. They organize conferences, seminars, workshops, and meetings for the and creating awareness, providing training, providing technical support. In case of the long-term credit, we have two types of organization at the state level and the primary or district level. So at the state level, we have the state cooperative bank, state cooperative agriculture and rural development bank, SCARDB, and at the primary level, we have the primary cooperative agriculture and rural development bank. And in this role of the primary cooperative agriculture and rural development bank is to provide long-term financings to the needy farmers for development of land, increasing agricultural production and productivity of the land. They provide loan for minor irrigation or redemption of the old debt and purchase of land. They also provide the finance for purchasing tractor, machinery, equipments, and they also serve as a bank for provide finance for the construction of farm structure, farm building, and they also help in mobilizing the rural saving. In case of the state cooperative Credit and Rural Development Bank, basically, the branches of the state cooperative agricultural rural development, they are the member of the society, and they are also the primary cooperative agricultural rural development and individual entrepreneur, they are the member of this state level cooperative agricultural rural development bank, and basically they act as a link between the NABARD and state government in the long term bank transaction. They supervise, inspect and guide the PCARDB. They also float the debenture for raising the necessary fund for funding or for providing loan to the member farmers, and they also inculcate the spirit and practice of the thrift, so that rural saving can be moved, develop these spirit and practice of the thrift in the rural societies. They provide the loan to the member bank for the redemption of the old debt and improvement. They also provide the loan for reclamation and development of the land. They also provide the loan for purchasing of agricultural machinery, equipments and development of minor irrigation. So these are the preview of the State Cooperative Agricultural Development Bank. And here you can see the growth. We have the 13 State Cooperative Agricultural Development Bank, and they have the branches around 679 branches are there from the State Cooperative Agricultural Development Bank, and we have the primary Cooperative Agricultural Development Bank and their branches, which are in the number like 1,775. So there are total 1,754 branches are there for the long-term requirement of the agriculture sectors, and their membership is also increasing over the period of time. Presently, we have 1,177,590 membership of the long-term cooperative credit societies. And in case of urban cooperative banks and credit society, basically their purpose is to meet the financial requirement of the pupils who are living in the urban area and who are engaged in the industry and non-farm activities. So they extend the loan for various activities. Suppose a people from the urban area, he want to purchase a truck, so they provide the loan. They also provide the loan for setting up the small scale industry unit, and they also provide loan for household equipment servicing units. So they undertake the observed banking regulations set by the Reserve Bank of India, and they are registered as with the state register of the cooperative societies. And again, there is one national federation for urban cooperative bank and credit societies, and that federation was established in the year 1977, and basically they promote the interest or protect the interest of these urban cooperative banks. They have liaison with different types of organization, government, and promote the cooperative movement and undertake the studies and research related to the urban cooperative banks. And so they organize different conferences, convention, workshops, seminars and discussion for promoting the philosophy. And now we can sum up the session with that actually the formal cooperative societies or credit cooperative society in India was started in the year 1904, and we have two types of cooperative credit structure in the country. We have short term and medium term structure through three-tier structure: state cooperative bank, district cooperative bank, and primary agriculture cooperative bank. And then we have long-term two-tier structure: state cooperative agricultural development bank and primary agriculture rural development bank. And we have national federation for the promotion of the credit cooperative society. And there is a continuous growth in the cooperative credit society in terms of number, in terms of their memberships. And this credit cooperative society not only provide the credit, they also provide other services such as supplying of the inputs, providing the machineries, providing warehousing. So, and we also have the urban cooperative banks and credit society. They are fulfilling they are catering to the urban people in providing loan, credit requirement, financial support. With this, I thank you.